Hi guys, and we have brought the top 20 YouTube channels for first year MBBS. Beginning with, at number 20, we have Angelina Isaac. So here is the video section. This YouTube channel brings the latest concepts in a well explained manner, but you might find the videos a bit slow and not all topics are covered yet. Moving on, at number 19, we have Dr. Rajesh Kaushal. So this is the video section and he has got a nice style of teaching, and you will find playlists having videos which are mainly of entrance exams. Next, at number 18, we have Fundamentals of Biochemistry. Here are PPT form videos delivering a basic understanding of biochemistry, which are of course not for clinical correlation. At 17, we have Medicosis Perfectionalis. This is home and here are the playlists. This YouTube channel is a whole package. You will find content on biochemistry, but the channel is largely known for its physiology. The videos are well explained with drawings and have a funny way of presentation. Next, we have MOOF University. Here's the playlist section. Biochemistry is taught in a very simplified manner, and they do have a separate website for paid courses, but you will find the basics here and not the clinical parts. Moving on to number 15, Dr. G. Bhanu Prakash. You will find animated videos with nice explanations. This channel comes to rescue as we often tend to lose visualization while studying long slabs of text in anatomy. At number 14, we have Akshat Juneja. If you're looking for something concise, this is the correct channel. A medico who is there to help you with not just academic content but also study plans and strategies. Moving on to number 13. Armando Hasudungan. I'm not pretty sure about the pronunciation. Well, short simplified videos for different categories of medicine and science including anatomy and embryology is found here. Explanations are assisted with beautiful and simple drawings. Most videos are around 10 minutes long. Next, at number 12, we have anatomy dissections. As the name suggests, this is purely for dissections. You will be taught on cadavers with proper explanations. This would be great for revision. At number 11, we have Dr. Mitesh. This channel is for osteology and dissections. Along with that, you will find a lot of clinical scenario-based questions and answers here. Next, we have the Chelsea of Medical Literature. This is the best channel for revision before examinations as the content is provided in notes format. Next, we have Hardik Mistry. This is the best for practicals. Physiology practicals are fun, but they are no joke, so you will need this channel to brush up before exams. At number 8, we have Sanjay Sanyal, a great channel for dissection where you're taught on cadavers and you will get detailed explanation of each topic here. Moving on to number 7, we have Anatomy Zone. You'll find mainly anatomy explanations which are nicely described using presentations and 3D anatomy animations. Though the important topics are covered, many topics are missing. Mostly videos are 5 to 10 minutes long and everything is provided in animated form, so it's easy to understand. Next, we have Viva Voce of Anatomy, a channel much similar to anatomy dissections and really good for revision. Moving on to number 5, we have Dr. Rose. This is the best for embryology, where everything is nicely explained, but explanations are presented on a small board and the audio might suck sometimes. Dr. Rose is that channel where even embryology is made interesting. Next, on number 4, we have Dr. Rajesh. This is the best biochemistry channel. Videos have good explanations which are great for revision, but lectures may be boring, and that too on a small board. Biochemistry seems too volatile to learn at a go, so we need to ensure that we know the topic well before delving into the subject. And this channel is a good source for that. At number 3, we have Viren Karya. Everything is explained here in full length with a professional approach, and this might make the lectures too boring. The video and audio quality is also not up to the standards, but Viren Karya is the best for dissection for an Indian MBBS student as he teaches from our perspective with Viva questions. We often get out of touch with our anatomy dissections, so dissection videos with sample Viva questions are significant, and that's why Viren Karya literally becomes a must. At number 2, we have Ninja Nerd. Videos with great explanations which are dealt with concepts in depth are found here. This is a go-to channel for explanations of tough concepts. But then you'll find long videos that too are not matching with the Indian textbooks. Anatomy is also explained by models. Basically, Ninja Nerd will help in the concept building of a student. And at number 1, we have Dr. Najib, the best for those with time. Simple but detailed diagrams and explanations are there. Biochemistry is great here, but too detailed. 30 minutes to 1 hour long videos are present in this channel, and premium videos are available on their website. This channel is simply the best for physiology and cardiology. You could also check out Unacademy for postgraduate entrance exam preparations, and finally Anuj Panchal's channel because he's the one who'll inspire you to manage time and become more productive. Honorable mentions to Osmosis and Khan Academy Medicine. So that's it guys, these channels are always there as a guide, but books remain the ultimate resource. MBBS study materials are available for free at the Telegram channel, link is there in the description. Here you'll get all the files in an assembled manner, and moreover this Telegram channel will not get spammed every week by unnecessary content. Feel free to comment down the topic on which you would like us to make a video. Thank you.